You got a 22?
No, not anymore.
So if you have a 22, they got. Those are just so like that's just so. Even one-handed, the shit's not moving, bro.
It really like
even one-handed, the shit's not moving.
it doesn't make no sense. This shit, oh my god.
So I just. Right, it makes a double tap so much easier.
So light, like. Actually, let me see. Even a one-hand double tap is so smooth.
Yeah, I think that's my next pickup, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
It's worth it.
I'm not gonna lie. Cause even that's lighter than that trigger's lighter than my 1911.
Which 1911 do you have?
Handle. And
Damn.
I got a mine's a stainless steel, so I'm gonna do either. I'm still debating on either like white and pearl.
Yep.
Or like the black pearl.
Yeah. If I do mine, I'll probably do like a chrome and then some type of like pearl on chrome would be kind of fire.
Yeah, that should be fire.
A pearl grip will be fire with yeah.
That should be fire.